What if I told you, you could use ChatGPT to make money in the stock market without being an expert? No research, no experience, just copy, paste, and invest. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you how to use AI to find winning stocks and grow your money fast. Watch till the end for a secret ChatGPT prompt that can change everything. Step 1. Open ChatGPT and type, "Analyze the best performing stocks in your country with high growth potential." ChatGPT will generate a list of stocks based on trends, earnings, and market data. Pro tip: ask for undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals to find hidden gems. Hack copy the list and compare it with Google Finance or Yahoo Finance for real-time data. Step 2. Use AI for smart investing. ChatGPT can break down complex stock data into simple insights. Ask, "Explain why stock name is a good investment in simple terms." It will analyze revenue growth, market trends and risks, so you make smarter decisions. Want a portfolio? Say, "Create a diversified stock portfolio with low risk and high returns." Bonus tip: copy and paste ChatGPT's insights into investing forums or Twitter to build credibility and attract followers. Step 3. Invest and multiply profits. Pick 5 strong stocks from ChatGPT's list. Use commission-free apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Webull to buy. Set stop-loss and profit targets. ChatGPT can help you calculate them. Reinvest your profits to compound your wealth faster. Pro secret: ask what is the best AI-powered investing strategy to get even deeper insights. Now you know how to copy from ChatGPT and invest in stocks the smart way. Want my exact AI investing prompts? Comment AI stocks below. Subscribe to Genesis for more AI money hacks.